Hey guys, welcome on Crypto Mercy. Let's deep dive with an update on Elrond and the Bitcoin, and let's try to figure out together where are the support, entry, buying orders, and where are the resistance to. And let's go. All right, nice to be with you again. Cheers.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back. Like maybe you know, I've been pointing this possible scenario for Elrond, which is a running triangle. And you need to know that running triangle are pretty rare, but they happen after a very strong trend on the upside or the downside. And right now we can see that we are in a strong bull trend, and this is a possibility. And I want to show you those running triangle are created from a zigzag, three zigzag retracement wave like this here, okay? And zigzag are ABC wave, but they are formed with, I'm gonna show you, on the A wave, you're gonna have 5 impulsive wave down. On the C wave here, you will have the same. Okay, like this, 5 wave impulsive down. And you have an ABC here to create the B wave. Okay, very simple. But sometimes a running triangle too can be a form by a complex WXY here on the A wave, the C wave, or the E wave. Anyway, we will not go over those complex WXY today, but maybe sometimes. But now what I want to show you is how you can trade this breakout right here. And usually how you trade those breakout is by waiting for a W like this, okay? And a breakout of the neckline, a confirmation over the resistance, and after that you will have the push on the upside, and the neckline, the neckline is always here. Maybe you don't see so well, but it looks like this. Okay, and you have the neckline right here on the middle of the W. And this is what we're gonna wait for. And this can happen right here. Okay, we can have a fake out on the downside, and whoops, it comes back over the resistance, tests the support of the neckline, and we have a breakout. We're gonna have to watch this very closely. I didn't bring the zigzag scenario for now, or a double zigzag scenario, or even a double XY scenario for Elrond, because I think this one is my favorite. And we didn't break down this neckline, this support line of the triangle. And also you need to know that this is the floor of the rising wedge 2 or the ascending triangle. Okay, one other things that a lot of people asking me is how you can figure out to get the biggest support for Elrond. How to know? One really easy thing to do, and this is very quick. You take the Fibonacci, you click on the top right here. You can take your magnet, you click on the top, and you will have to try. It's much more easy for me on logarithmic mode, but you're gonna have to find the lowest point, and you can come back on the normal chart after that. Okay, and you will have all your Fibonacci extension there. And the most strongest for sure is the 0.618, which is the golden fib. Okay, but sometimes it happens that we have a retracement on a second wave that is that can go only at 0.5, which is 125 here, 126, or the 0.786, which is $54.20, or the 0.85 at $38.15, and it can go lower than this, but it cannot go lower than 54 cents. Okay, maybe you think this is a joke, but it is not. Sometimes we see a huge dump, and those things happen. We have to stay vigilant. It's why all my members and my subscribers that are following me since a while have probably orders right here on the golden fib, probably right here. And I mentioned this shoulder right there, this left shoulder too, which I think is support. And we have the 0.85 at $38.15. My preference will be to put an order a little bit higher than this, around $44, to be sure to catch if we have a retracement there. Okay, I know you are following me, which is good. Also, my members and my subscribers know that I'm using moving average too, and I've been pointing out and predicting that Bitcoin will retrace very soon on the moving average 21 on the weekly, and it just did. And I predicted that. Ask my subscribers if you don't believe me, but my first alert was this monthly candle close 3 weeks ago. Also, I was pointing out this Wyckoff event and pattern, and sending alarms, game over, big alarms for Bitcoin, many alarms to my subscribers to tell them to watch the bull trap, strong resistance, prices going up but volume going down, bear flag. But there were some of my subscribers were throwing me some tomatoes right in the face, because my crypto mercy, what are you talking about? Elrond is going to the moon. But yeah, maybe a little push on the upside, but I repeat it. Don't play. Maybe you will make 10% profit, but you will get trapped at the on the golden fib, because this is a B wave, and the price the fishers will trap all the fish in the trap zone, and this is what exactly happened. Anyway, you know my story. You just have to watch all my videos since a month, and you will see that I've been predicted this for Elrond and Bitcoin. Anyway, just to come back on the support zone, for sure, for me, moving average 21 on the weekly is a huge support zone, buying entry. Okay, and it's $131, and this moving average 21 is still rising slowly. We're gonna have to watch this. We have this moving average here, which is the moving average, I think 200, if I'm right. No, sorry, moving average 50. Right there is another very good support at the moment. And also remember all this, higher the time frame, stronger the resistance. On the monthly chart, where are the moving average? We have the moving average 7 right here at $100, which is a very nice entry. And we have this moving average at 79, which is the moving average 9 on the monthly. Two very, very good support up there. On the 2 week, let's find out. And we still have this moving average 21 on the 2 week, that is at 74.2. And I think now, if you are taking a look at the structure of Elrond, you will see the shoulder here, you are seeing all the Fibonacci, you are seeing all the moving average, strong moving average that are giving us a support. And you can figure out with all this, where's the biggest support? And now, I will not hide you that this zone is crazy good support, between $80 and $60. Also, strong support here between $100 and $93, $94. And for sure, we have this dynamic support that is helping Elrond right now in between 130 and 124. Okay, you can take note of this. Also, you need to note that Elrond is in a complete different situation than the Bitcoin right now, because Elrond is still making higher high, and he didn't make a lower low yet. We still have higher lows. Okay, which means the trend is up now for Elrond until we have a confirmation on the inverse. And this is why we're gonna check this monthly candle close that is coming. Whoops, wow, beautiful. In 12 days, this is gonna be important, because if we have this double top, this can hand the bull market for Elrond. Okay, but there is still 12 days to go. We will see a lot of things can happen in 12 days, and it doesn't mean that if we make a double top that we cannot rise back, but we will have to check very closely on this. Also, people know that I love to swing candles on the monthly chart. You saw this double bottom body at the same place here. You enter after the confirmation on the close, and you still are in profit for almost 1,086 or 7%. I mean, even if you are a top trader and you catch the top, almost 2,600% profits. And you wait for the double top. This is what I did for Bitcoin, and you know that Bitcoin, I've been calling this right here, this monthly close. I said the most important monthly candle close in Bitcoin history. And when this double top happened, I said to everyone, I hurry everyone to get out. And this was very sweet by the market makers, because they gave us an alarm. They say, hey, get out because we're going down. And a lot of people were laughing at me. Oh, you can tell this in the middle of the bull run. It's such a stupid man and really you don't know. Go work at the McDonald's up to make technical analysis, Mr. Mercy. And anyway, okay. A lot of people know that after this candle confirmation on double bottom here, if you got in on Bitcoin, you know, and you get out on the confirmation of that close here, you made 315% profits, which is not bad. Okay, cool. Also, I've been pointing this Wyckoff Phases since a while, and I've been tracking Bitcoin. This is right now. I just want to, I'm going to finish with this because I want to show you right now for Bitcoin is that the most bearish scenario will be a huge ABC. Okay. I'm going to show you a 3, 4, 5 wave. You're going to create an ABC like this. Okay. I'm doing this very quickly anyway. But this B wave will be formed by another ABC if we are making a zigzag, which is most of the time a zigzag. Anyway, I'm gonna put that in bigger. Okay, all right. Okay, and you're still gonna have 5 wave down here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all right. This is probably easier for you to see right now. The things that I'm seeing right now, if I make a, okay, you know that inside this third wave, there is 5 wave. And now I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are on the 5th one, I think, right now. I'm gonna put that in color, maybe in blue, we see better. Okay, how you can find out destination? This is very easy. I mean, you take your magnet, you take the top of 1, you take the bottom of wave 2, and like you see here, I'm gonna zoom in. Bitcoin was stopped by the 1.618 of Fibonacci, which is a perfect target for wave 3. After that, we retrace in a wave 4. And if you want to know the destination of this wave 5, you bring your Fibo on the top of 4, and you should, I mean, with the 1.618 is a very nice target for a wave 5, but it can also be lower than this. But this will be a very nice target for this wave. Also, on this wave down, I mean, after that, you have the first wave, and you will have a second wave, and a third wave, and a fourth wave, and a fifth wave, and you will create your your wave 3 down. You're understanding me probably. And this wave 2 right here, okay, you will grab the bottom like this. And usually those wave 2 have 2 destination. They have the 0.618 at which will be, imagine that we are not gonna go lower. You have this golden fib right here, and you have the 0.85 at 56. Okay, this will become a trap zone if we are in this bearish scenario. It's why we're gonna have to be vigilant. If you want to trade this, be careful, because 52,500 and 56,700 are top target for this next wave, and we're gonna be able to track what's going on next if it's exactly the pattern that Bitcoin is using. All right, hope you like, guys. This was pretty quick, but I just wanted to point it out and show you how to trade this W pattern for Elrond. Always remember, W are how I can say that. I'm going to show you that on the daily, but let's give you an example before. This is Elrond right here, okay? and you have a perfect W here. I'm gonna show you this quickly before we go. Okay, we have right there. Okay, and we have this right here. You see the W. Okay, it's a perfect W, and you have the neckline right here. And if we go on a lower time frame, you will see that this neckline was tested a couple of times. Okay, and like here, this is the neckline, and the Bitcoin, Elrond has test many times this neckline and confirm it, and it's why we had a breakout. But you always need to watch your RSI, because at the moment that you are making a new high, if the RSI is making a lower high, you are making a bearish divergence, which is pretty dangerous. Anyway, you will get out before the new ATH. This is a trick for me, you know, getting out before the new ATH and looking at the RSI. If the RSI is higher and is making a new high, this is pretty good. But this was not the case here for Elrond at all. Okay, and at the inverse, you will have the hem. Just turn this W on the other side, and it's a hem. You still have your neckline, and you will have the same pattern, but this pattern will break down for sure. I think it's very easy to understand. And like you know, I've been pointing out this rising wedge since a while. And I've been pointing this out because on the logarithmic chart, this is pretty clear for me. And also another things that make me think for sure that this is a rising wedge for sure is that the volume is going down since here. You see the volume here, we are still going down in volume, and this is typical of the rising wedge, going down like this. But it can also, but this is caused by the compression inside the wedge. Okay, and this also can be an ascending triangle. We're gonna have to watch this. I'm gonna take out this. Let's go on VOC better. Yeah, right here. You see, I have some difficulty to think that this is an ascending triangle because I don't know. On the BUSD, maybe if I'm taking out the logarithmic chart on higher time frame, but you know, I don't like too much. Maybe on the 2 week. Let's see. No, not even. It's harder. Maybe on the Elrond USD. Let's see. Okay, this is easier. This on this chart, this will be more probable that an ascending triangle is a possibility too, which is a bullish pattern, ascending triangle like this. And if in that case we have a breakout, the breakout is going to be much higher than this, and this is why I don't take this too much in consideration. Anyway, another things that people are probably seeing is a possible rising wedge, rising channel, sorry. Where is that? Okay, right there, parallel. Okay, like this. Okay, you see, this can be a rising channel too. It's a possibility. And you see the resistance on the midline right here. Okay, this can be a very good buying zone if it's the case, but it's pretty dangerous, and in risk management you will not do that. You will try to find a pattern and wait for the breakout and the confirmation of that pattern, because it can go lower. It's why you don't do this. But look at all the resistance on the midline right here, and usually it's another test will be here, but for sure this will create a new W like this, and you're gonna have the test of the neckline and the breakout after. And where is your neckline? Right there, because this is your W right here. You see? Okay, well, I hope you learned a little bit today. Thanks for being here. Thanks for liking my video, guys, and leaving me a comment. I really appreciate your time, and I wish you the best of the best. Have a wonderful week, and I'm very happy to be with you today, and let's keep in touch. Bye. Cheers.